Hello everyone. So you know that nationalism in India we are going to start. So the first topic of this chapter is what is nationalism? Means you need to know the meaning of chapter. Nationalism is what? Nationalism is an abstract idea to show love, devotion and determination toward our country. This idea is inside our soul with every human being. Or in simply other words, you can say that a common identity of a nation. A common identity of a nation which bind every citizen in a single tone is known as nationalism. For example, in our India is a diverse culture. In every state, culture is different. But what is the unique thing? We are Indians. What is the thing that make us Indians? It is an idea. It is a nationality. It is a common identity. So simply in simply term, if I'll say what is nationalism, then you can write that common identity of a person which belong to a nation, or you can say in other words an abstract idea to show love, devotion, determination for our country is known as what a nationalism. Now our next topic is that means chapter start from the topic impact of First World War on Indian economy. You know that First World War was fought between the period of 1914 to 1918. India did not participate in First World War, but India contributed. During that time, India was ruled by colonial government. Means India was ruled by Britishers. I am talking about the period of 1914 to 1918. This was the period of First World War. In this period, the Europe financial condition was very weak because Europe has spent all of the treasure, all of money, all resources in First World War. So the financial condition of Europe become very weak. One more point, there was shortage of grain in Europe because in this period the population of Europe raised. So what European did? European fulfilled their financial and grain requirement from India. One more point. To fight in First World War, the army recruitment was done from India. Means the army was recruited from India. So the impact of First World War can be understood by three ways: on agriculture, on economy, or on military. Means the impact of First World War on Indian economy can be visible, can be seen, can be categorized into three parts: on agriculture impact, on trade, on economic impact, on military impact. So what was the impact of on agriculture? First point, farmers were forced to grow crops such as wheat, rice, indigo, opium for European market. It means that colonial government instructed farmer clearly, whatever crops you will grow, it will be supplied to Europe. Farmers were forced to grow wheat, rice, indigo, opium. Indigo and opium especially, because these two crops were known as commercial crop and were in great demand in European market, in international market. So first point you will write, farmers were forced to grow crops such as wheat, rice, indigo, opium for European only. Second, tax was increased. On that time in India, the many part of were facing the problem of famine and drought. But on that time, the European did not reduce the tax. European or colonial government, I will not say European, colonial government. Colonial means Britishers. Britishers raised the tax, which directly affect the life of farmers. So agriculture was totally destroyed by Europeans. Colonial government means. Now on trade or economy. What was the impact of First World War on Indian economy? So first point you will write, income tax was introduced, custom duty was raised, and local industry were destroyed. Means by colonial government, local industry were totally destroyed. Why? To promote East India Company. To promote East India Company, which was an European company. So income tax was introduced, custom duty was raised, and whatever tax were collected, it was sent to Europe for making it financially strong. I told you already that after First World War, the economic condition of Europe become very weak. So whatever tax was collected, this tax was sent to Europe for making it financially strong and to repay the loan. Because Europe has taken loan from United States in First World War. Now, what was the impact on military? What was the military impact? Force equipment was implemented. What do you mean by force equipment? Force equipment means people were forced to join the army without their wishes, without their willingness. I am telling you one mark question, very important question. What is force recruitment? Please listen carefully. Force recruitment was a policy which was formed by colonial government. According to that policy, people were forced to join the army. So whatever army was collected, gathered, it was sent to Europe for First World War. So this was the impact of First World War on Indian economy. Impact can be seen on three ways: agriculture, trade, and military. Farmer was forced to grow commercial crops to feed European market, as well as the tax was increased on farmer. Second, income tax was introduced, custom duty was raised, and whatever tax was collected is was directly sent to Europe. The colonial government policies was unfavorable to Indian trade because colonial government destroyed local and cottage industry. Now, military impact. Force equipment was implemented. It means that people were forced to join the army. The recruitment was done from India for Europe in First World War. India did not participate, but India gave a huge contribution in First World War by economically, military, and by agriculturally. Thank you.